Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Seema. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, pretty well. Thanks for asking, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am doing good as well. Thank you so much for asking. And thank you for connecting with me and wanting to have this conversation. I'm really looking forward to it.
Yeah, ma'am. We can say I drop you so many time messages, but yeah, we stumbled out.
Yeah,
Now we
that's
can say,
correct.
I was looking for this conversation. I'm very eager to talk to you. I saw your YouTube channel, then I thought, I had to talk with you.
How
So
sweet.
now I got this chance.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Jasna, you already know my name, but for just to
Yes.
give you a little
For
brief
my
about
viewers.
myself for the viewers who are watching me for the first time, my name is Mopriya, and I am a communication coach and a soft skills trainer. I am also a spoken English trainer. I'm TEFL certified, and I'm also a certified life coach. So my aim was always to do something in the field of communication and soft skills and personality development, because since a very young age I realized this, like while I was in college, from my own journey, that English is just a tool, it's just a language that we use to communicate with people. The main action happens in the communication area. The main challenge is to develop our own personality. The main areas to focus on would be the soft skills that make our impression on people, right? So since then I have been actively observing these things, and I have also trained myself to work with people and help them with developing these skills. I have worked for over 11 years in the corporates. I was into training and
Okay.
I was into helping the people who were working there. But after I got married in 2023, I was like, now I want to do something on my own, no more working for anybody else. So that's when I started my journey as an independent coach. And since then, it has been a wonderful journey. I love meeting people, interacting with people, and that is what I am enjoying the most. With training, I started my YouTube channel as well. Of course, I was, motivated, encouraged by my students at that time. Just like you, they were uploading my videos and then they were telling me that, ma'am, you should have your own channel and all of that. So that's when I decided that, okay, I can try and handle it. And the entire journey for the last 1.5 years, it has been very satisfying, very fulfilling, and I am enjoying this phase of my life entirely. And apart from my classes and my content creation, whenever I get some time, I love traveling. I love cooking, and I spend a lot of time with my friends, my family. I have three cats. So with them, I like to spend a lot of time and play with them. So that's how, my life is all about in a nutshell.
Okay, we can say three cats also including in your family.
Yes, of course, very much.
Wow, very nice. Yeah, ma'am,
Mhm.
actually you said कि before marriage you were doing this work, you were a trainer, and after getting married, then gradually you started this journey.
Yes,
So what do you
yes.
think before marriage I was teaching, after marriage I was teaching, but after deliver my child, then I left.
Hmm.
After getting married, there are so many ladies, mostly ladies, are facing this problem. So you have
Hmm.
any solution for them, any?
Well, yeah, I know it very closely that after marriage, there are a lot of responsibilities that come to you. But to be very honest, for me, that was not the scene. I did not have any responsibilities. I was already like me and my husband right now. My husband, we have been together for the last 10 years, but we only got married 1.5 years ago, right? So we had a very good
It was love
understanding.
marriage.
Yeah,
It
I
was
have
love
a love
marriage.
marriage. We were, when we got married, before that, we were living together. So our family, our
And
home was all set. We did not have to worry about that.
wow.
The reason why I did not want to continue with my job is because uh, before my wedding, I had waited for a very long time to get married, and this was one of the most important events of my life. And I had planned the entire thing for almost 1.5 years. And then when I saw that, okay, I have to take leave, I have to give explanations to people, I have to manage my time or divide my time to plan my wedding, and I have to give
Mhm.
explanations for that. That was something that was annoying for me. I was like, I don't want to work for somebody else. I have worked on
Mhm.
my own for a very, like, I have worked for others for a very long time. Now is the time that
Mhm.
I have the capability, I have the confidence,
Yeah.
and I have the willingness to work
Yes.
for myself. So now I
Mhm.
want to take a break for 2, 3 months. I want to enjoy the wedding period. And then I
Yeah.
would start something on my own, because that was more like a challenge to me.
Mhm.
What am I doing with the experience that I have gained over the last 10, 12 years? Can I channelize it to something that I can call my own, where I am my own boss? I don't want to be answerable for my time to others. That was my driving force. But to be very honest, it is true. And I was just talking to somebody else before you, and it is true that for a lot of ladies, especially in our country, and it happens in foreign countries as well, that after marriage, a job becomes difficult for them, because they
Yes.
have family
Kids,
responsibilities, they have their kids'
children,
responsibilities. So,
children, mostly responsibility
children,
of children.
yeah, children.
Hmm.
So when it comes to children, for me, it's a very, simple choice. At times in life, you have to pick your priorities. Children
Mhm.
are not coming into our lives with their own will, right? They're
Mhm.
coming because we want them to come to our life. We are
Yeah.
choosing them to come into our life. When that
Hmm.
happens, then there should not be a dilemma in our mind whether we should take care of them, whether we should nurture them, or whether we should go for a job. So, a wonderful way to look at it is, are there other ways in which you can utilize your skills apart from going to a 9 to 5 job? Chances
Mhm.
are, in today's time, in 2025, thankfully, we have multiple ways to keep ourselves busy, to earn
Yeah.
some money, and to contribute to the society.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
a job, just like how we say being a housewife cannot define us, similarly, a job cannot define us. My position at an organization cannot be defining me. I am a person, and for me, this is my thinking. I am a person. If I am able to take care of my responsibilities include my family. If I have kids, then my kids, and also my own wishes. They are also my responsibilities. Do I
Mhm.
want to do something? Do I want to earn something? In what way can I make that happen? That depends on
Yeah.
us, and that takes a lot of courage, right?
Mhm.
So if we want to look for alternatives, we definitely can we take a
Yeah.
break, and can we go back? We definitely can, right? So the only thing I keep saying is, there is no, I would say,
Restriction.
restrictions,
Restriction.
or there is nothing that should control what you can do and what you can't do. Because at the end of the
Yeah.
day, you are limitless. You are what you think you can be. If you think that, oh, I
Yeah.
can't do anything, I'm just a homemaker, you're never just a homemaker. Taking care of a home is a huge responsibility, huge,
Yeah.
right?
That is a reason actually every housewife
Correct.
is
Yeah,
known like a CEO.
of course. Yeah, correct. Raising good children, that is one of the most difficult jobs in the whole world,
Yeah,
right?
ma'am, and say every woman say actually they want to give better life to children than us. Okay, so that is
Absolutely.
because now we
Yes.
are speaking, and all parents were not so much educated. But they
Correct.
gave us this value. Now I can speak in
Exactly.
front of you and you can
Right.
speak in front of me. That is a value for our parents. And now
Hmm.
being a parent, that is our responsibilities. And
Correct.
most of you have a good partner, then you can do everything in your life. But most
Everything.
of ladies,
Yeah.
yeah, they don't have this type of partner. They have a lots of restriction. They can't
Correct.
do anything in their house. So
Correct.
there are so many. Yeah, so we can say
Right.
I also left so many things. I sacrificed so many things, but now I got, because in my time, 10 years ago, I didn't get this type of opportunity. But now I'm getting, day by day, I'm getting. Then I also do, we can say, do something better than nothing. Now
Of
you have a spare time,
course.
then you should
Right.
do.
Do.
You
You should
also,
do.
yeah, and you are known a good YouTuber, good person, good English speaker, fluent speak. We can say not a speaker, whatever you have a desire, then you should so and you should do.
Absolutely. Very true. Very true. And also, the point is, a lot of people I see, they keep crying over and sulking over things that they couldn't do in the past. That is also not a
Mhm.
solution. You couldn't do,
Yeah,
okay, you can't bring back that time. The point is, what
yeah,
are you doing now? What are you doing now to change your life? So, taking that
yes,
action, that responsibility, that accountability, that is also very important, right?
yeah,
So, there is nothing to be ashamed of. There is nothing to be sad about not doing a job. As long as you are able to do the things that you want to do, as long as you are thinking that, okay, I have this very clear thought in my mind, okay, I may not be earning 5 lakh rupees a month, but am I earning enough that, okay, I can buy today, if I want to buy a nice lipstick, am I able to buy it? Or if it is my husband's birthday and I want to do something for him, am I able to do it without asking for money from him?
yeah,
If I
yeah,
want to give something to my parents, to my in-laws, am I able to do it on my own without thinking
yeah.
about, oh, I have to take money from somebody? That is important, right?
Yes, and we
And of
should be
course,
independent.
you should be
Mm.
independent in terms of doing things where you don't need to seek permission from somebody. That is also
Yes,
important.
yes.
Even in today's time, a lot of
Mhm.
people think, oh, I want to do this, I have to seek permission. Why?
Yes.
You're not a kid, you're an adult. Kids seek permission, right? So, understanding these things, working on yourself and for yourself, and whatever your passion can be, you can be teaching,
Mhm.
you can be you can be doing freelancing. That is a great thing to do in today's time, and thankfully there are so many options to do it. If you are good at
Yeah.
art, do something with your art. Spend three hours a day, you can do that when your kid is sleeping,
Yeah.
when you are free. Take out 2 3 hours time, invest in something that you can create as a good art piece. You have Instagram, showcase it on Instagram. If you are good at cooking, do something with cooking, right? So there are, thankfully, the world has become such a small place now, and there are so many opportunities. You can always do something or the other. There are no more excuses
Yeah.
in today's time. That's the best part.
Yes. Yeah, we can say everybody has a desire, but for restriction, they have to sacrifice, they have to answer out their desire. They
Correct.
don't want to actually disseminate. Yeah, so they have a lots of distraction and we can say temptation in their life.
Right.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, we can say we have social media. If we want to do something at house, then we can do. Yeah,
Of
that is
course.
right.
Yes. Yes. True.
Yes.
All
Yeah.
right. Okay. Mm-hmm.
This was my question, and now you have any question, then please ask.
I don't have any question as such, Seema, but I definitely want to know what inspired you or what made you think that, okay, I want to become an English trainer. What is that, that thing that motivated you?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, 1 year ago, I had one Instagram. Then I had one friend. He was YouTuber, and he actually suddenly called me. Then he said, "Ma'am, I want to make your video. can you speak English? Then I said, oh my God, what is the English? What is the YouTube channel? I don't know. Then actually I didn't know about before this. Then
Hmm.
he said, okay, actually I will join you one Skype group. There you can find so many people. Then I knew, oh my God, I
Hmm.
also can learn English. I also can speak English. Then I thought, yeah, and I started to speak English, and I didn't have courage for video call.
Hmm.
We can say I started speaking audio by the audio call, and somebody uploaded my videos. Then I thought, oh my God, I can be a good speaker. I can be a public speaker. Now I should
Nice.
start. Now I am getting this opportunity, so since then, I have been speaking, I have been learning, and now I have one YouTube channel. Now I have started teaching. So now I'm getting day by day a
Amazing.
little bit opportunity. And we can say my children, they also speak English. I want to join their school. Their Hindi is not allowed. So I
Hmm.
can join their school. But yeah, now I have a desire of spoken English. After
Hmm.
getting knowledge, I'm getting fluency, then I
Hmm.
will install a spoken board outside my house.
Very
Not now.
nice. Hmm.
Not now. We can say I need something more and more. I want to
Very,
be an eloquent speaker.
how
Yeah,
sweet.
like
Very
you.
nice. Very
So
good.
that is
Very
my
good. So that's how things happen in our life, right? Just by chance, something happens, and then we discover that, oh, that is something that I can do, and that is something that I can explore. Wonderful. Very nice to hear that, Seema.
yeah,
And I
thank
thoroughly
you.
enjoyed having this discussion with you today and communicating with you today. It was really nice. And in future, we can definitely try and take out time one more day, and we can connect and talk about something else.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And this conversation is very tremendous, and I loved very much with you. We can say I want to talk again with you. So that is my desire. Yes,
Sure,
ma'am.
sure. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Seema. Wish you all the very best for everything that you are planning to do, and take care of yourself. I'll definitely see you again in future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Bye.
Yes.